Hello, welcome to this tutorial. We are going to create this animation using Blender 4.2. You'll learn from modeling to final render. Before we start, make sure all these boxes are checked. Press Shift plus A to add plane mesh. After that, select the mesh and press Tab to edit the mesh. Then press S to scale the plane. Here I'm scaling it with 5. Now right-click and subdivide the plane by 50. Now press the Tab key again to come out of the edit mode. Then, go to modifiers and add the Displace modifier. Here you can experiment with values as per your preference. For easy animation, add empty mesh, which makes it easy to animate this scene. Then, in the Displace modifier, set coordinates from local to object and select empty mesh as an object. I put empty at -5 on the x-axis. To create animation, add keyframes on location and rotation of empty mesh. Here, I'm going to create a 10-second animation, and for that, I'm setting 240 frames for rendering video at 24 fps. You can apply your own values to experiment and for different results. Well done, your animation is ready. Now, to set our scene, let's add a camera for rendering animation by pressing Shift plus A and add camera. Now let's add a sphere in the scene and set it at the edge of your plane mesh. All done. Now let's go to shading and add materials to the mesh. Here you can add colors of your choice. Now let's add the bloom effect to the emission.
Here you can see the bloom effect is working. Now if you render it, it'll appear in our final video also.